Okay, how would you like making money online by literally translating from English to a different language, and you don't even have to literally know the language, because we are going to be using Google Translate, and you're going to be translating from any language. Even if you have no any experience with translation, you are able to make $100 a day by leveraging this thing. But trust me, you guys need to do 3 steps, and I'm gonna share with you these 3 steps. But before that, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on, because we are here every single day showing you guys how to make money online. So without further, we're gonna go into the video right now. But before that, also, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my link in my description. This is where I started, and this is how I make money full-time income online. So go ahead and click that link in the description. Now let's go back into the video. We are going to be explaining about this website. I know you might heard about this before, but this is gonna be in-depth tutorial showing you guys everything step by step, and also showing you a project that I have in my hand that you can literally see everything. So make sure to watch this entire video, because it's gonna be steps, and these gonna be an actionable steps. Now if you also like, you can pause this and then sign up into this website that I'm signing, and then you can come back to the video so that you can continue finishing this video. Now what are we gonna be using? This is the main website we're gonna be using. It's called ladium.org. Now this is a crypto based website, but you are able to also get paid through real money. Now here, where you're going to be having, you need to have a wallet. It's a crypto wallet where you can get it from here. Now the sign up, it's easy. You all you have to do is add your email and your password, and you are going to be verifying that from there. Now you guys also need to sign up to Upwork, freelancer.com, fiverr.com. These are going to be also if you might get a job from there as well, but this is going to be the main website you're going to be talking about. We are not going to be explaining to you guys about Fiverr or Freelancer or Upwork. We're going to be talking about this particular website, but it's also best to do all of them together so that you can maximize your money with this website. Now the idea of this website, basically, it's somehow new. It's not that new, but then there's not too much competition into this website, and there's high demand. All right, there's many clients you can find from here, and the supply, basically there's a little freelancer are working in this website, so you can get advantage of this to start getting paid. All right, now here what we're going to be doing. Now I have tested many of these gigs, and I found out that translation are the best. All right, now once you sign up into this, you're going to click browse. All right, and then you're gonna click browse projects. All right, then you will be able to add the projects you want. For example, these are the projects that are right now that people are gonna be getting paid into different kind of money from, for example, lithium, ethereum, and many more. All right, now here's where you're gonna be coming in here. These are the categories. All right, you're gonna scroll down until you find the translation. All right, because you are going to be doing translation, and then you can find it from here. All right, here you're going to be seeing basically the projects are being listed in here. All right, you are able to get $25 to $100 by completing this job, and you're going to get paid by USD. All right, it's not a crypto, but it's in USD. What are you going to be doing? You're going to click in, and you're going to literally be able to make money from this. All right, now this is very simple stuff. All right, the instructions, it says PM me and send me your files so that I can work on that, English and French. This is the instructions that you're able to either do, and the clients will be able to put in here. Now what you're going to be doing is you also going to be adding your gigs as well. It's similar to Fiverr and basically freelancers. All right, now I'm gonna show you projects that I have in mind. All right, now I've already did that in my basically Google Docs. Now this is basically a Spanish article. All right, now here's what are we gonna be doing. We're gonna take this, and then we're gonna come back. Basically we're gonna copy it. All right, once we copy it, we're going to come back into Google Translate, and boom, that's all you have to do. It's very simply, and if you want, you can to be more effective for this, you can literally rewrite them, and you can make it more, because usually it's a computer and it actually says things that does not make sense. So you can literally rewrite them, or you can literally go to a website called tool. All right, this is basically Spinbot. This is basically for articles. All right, if you have an article, you can literally come in here and then you can take your article from here, and then you can literally paste it into that tool so that it can spin it and then rewrite things. That's what I basically do, and it works perfectly well for me. All right, and this is for like if you are like if you steal something from a different, which I'm not recommending you guys, it's called rewriting, and then so that the plagiarism doesn't get affected in this website. All right, now we're gonna be actually doing this, and then once we do that, you are able to see how this thing is going to work out, and this is going to be how simple it's going to be. So very simple stuff. All right, now we're going to click verify, and okay, so I missed that. I'm gonna do it again. I can see traffic light, and then we're gonna click go, and then you can see the article that we've written in here. It's gonna be visible here, and then you can take that, and pretty much you're good to go. You don't have to do anything, and this is going to be your article that you are need to go and take it to the website basically, and then you're going to getting paid $100 simply from just doing that. All right, now you're going to come back in here. All right, and then basically what you have to do, if you are a freelancer, you're gonna say you're gonna come back in here, and first of all I'm gonna explain about the wallet so that you guys know how this is gonna work out. You're gonna come back to your wallet. All right, you can see these are the wallet, and you can fund with crypto if you are literally going to be paying freelancers, or you can literally you can withdraw with your bank if you want different cryptocurrency. These are the cryptocurrencies that are available in here, and the best part about this also, it goes up and down. All right, so you can see all of these coins that this basically went 11% up. All of them, they are going up. So if you make money from, like for example, $100, you can see it after 5 days it went to $140. So this might happen with crypto because it's too volatile, and you're able to make money or also lose money. So if you are doing this for a living and you don't have more than this, so you can literally take money by USD, or whenever someone send you the money, you can literally transfer it and trade it here so that you can get actual real USD money, and then you can send it to your basically your bank account. So that's how simple this is going to be. Now I hope you guys like this video. If you guys find it very valuable, make sure to hit that like button. Also make sure to subscribe. And you guys, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, go ahead and click the link in my description, because that's basically how I start making money, and this is how I'm making $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. And I really want you guys to join, because this is it's the actually gold mine, and that way you can be making money online. You don't even have to depend on your boss or a job. You can literally do this from your side, and until you are financially stable, so that you can make money full-time income online from online. Basically, this is how I started, and you can see everything from the link in my description. Go ahead and click that, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.